Cindy and Christy here with Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner today to ask,
what is it?
All right, it's our monthly drawing for our newsletter, so hopefully you guys put your guesses in. So Christina, will you remind us what last month's limerick was?
It was a limerick last month.
Yes, it was a limerick.
It said, once there was a man named Macduff who found it hard to grip stuff like holding a fork for eating his pork, so he tried an ADL
Cuff.
Cuff.
That was what it was.
Yep.
Thank you all for guessing. This right here is the Easy Hold. Check it out. That is a universal cuff. It helps hold on to things like hairbrushes and toothbrushes and combs and utensils and things like that. So be sure to check that out at aecorner.com. So, do you want to draw for this month's winner?
So we had a lot of people that guessed the correct answer.
Oh,
so
good.
we had Bonnie Rochester, Cheryl Wilson, Cheryl Welch, Lisa Cohn, Jan Keith, Martin Pitt, Suzette Blandford, Debbie Rolfing, Stacy Wayman Marker, OT_Jerry from Instagram. We're now on Instagram, awesome. Aaron Dwyer Bush, and Lawful Stupid from TikTok, because we're on TikTok too.
Yes, join us on TikTok. You
All right.
never know what you might see.
All right. You want to, here, I'll shake it up in this lovely Legacy Concierge hat.
Yes, absolutely. Here we go. Let's see who's our winner for this month. All right. Try to
Did a
get it
good job,
undone.
Debbie.
Yes, you did.
Debbie Rolfing.
All right, Debbie, we will be in touch.
Yay.
Again, anybody that likes to do things like this, take a guess, check out our newsletter at aecorner.com. Christina, you want to tell them what the clues are for next month?
Yeah. So for June, the clues are these are long and stretchy. They come in different colors. They help keep your shoes on, and there's no tying necessary.
All right, you guys, get to guessing, aecorner.com. Check out the newsletter. Thanks for joining us today. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it,
Adapt it.
that's right.